Most people who go to tax auctions show up the day of the sale. They sit in that room, they look at the list for the first time, and they bid on properties they know almost nothing about. Some of them get lucky, most of them don't. The investors who consistently make money at tax auctions, they're not doing their research on auction day. They finished their research weeks ago. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find tax delinquent properties before the auction, using nothing but free public records that anyone in America can access right now. No paid software, no subscriptions, no insider connections, just the system that serious land investors use while everyone else is still searching Zillow. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why finding properties before the auction matters. When you walk into an auction cold, you're competing with people who have already done the work. They know which parcels have road access. They know which ones have clean titles. They know what the comparable sales look like in that area. You don't. And in a room where every second of hesitation costs you a deal, that information gap is everything. But here's what most people don't realize. The list of tax delinquent properties isn't a secret that appears on auction day. It's public record. It's been public record for months, sometimes years. The county is legally required to make this information available. Most counties publish it online. Some require you to walk in and ask for it. Either way, it's yours for the taking. The question is just knowing where to look. Step 1. Find your target county. Before you find any property, you need to decide where you're looking. This sounds obvious. Most people skip it anyway. Pick one county, just one. Not a state, not a region. One specific county, ideally in one of the affordable states we covered in our last video. Why one county? Because every county in America has its own process, its own website, its own auction schedule, its own rules. When you focus on one county, you learn that system faster than anyone else in the room. You become the expert, and experts find the deals other people miss. Go to Google and type County Name State Tax Assessor or County Name State Delinquent Property List. The county's official government website will appear. That's your starting point. Step 2. Get the delinquent property list. Once you're on the county website, look for one of these departments: tax assessor, tax collector, county treasurer, and tax administrator. These are the offices that maintain the delinquent property records. Most counties have one of three systems. System 1, fully online. The list is published directly on the county website, updated regularly, and available to download as a PDF or spreadsheet. This is the easiest scenario and more common than people think. System 2, available on request. The list exists but isn't posted publicly. You call or email the office and ask for the current delinquent property list. Most offices will send it to you within a few days. It's public record. They're required to provide it. System 3, in-person only. Some smaller counties still maintain physical records. You walk in, ask for the list, and they hand it to you. Old school, but the information is just as good. Whichever system your county uses, the list will include parcel numbers, property addresses, owner names, acreage, and the amount of back taxes owed. That list is your foundation. Now here's where most people stop. They have the list, they don't know what to do with it. Here's the exact process. Take each parcel number from the list and run it through these 4 free tools. Tool 1, County GIS Map. Every county in America has a geographic information system map. Type county name GIS map into Google. Enter the parcel number. You'll see the exact boundaries of the property, its location relative to roads, and neighboring parcels. This tells you instantly whether the property has road access, the single most important factor in raw land value. Tool 2. Google Earth. Copy the address or coordinates from the GIS map. Drop them into Google Earth. Zoom in. Look at the satellite view. Is it wooded or open? Flat or hilly? Near a road or buried deep in private land? Google Earth tells you in 60 seconds what would take an hour to discover in person. Tool 3. County Assessor Records. Back on the county website, search the parcel number in the assessor's database. This gives you the assessed value of the property, the last recorded sale price, the zoning classification, any existing structures, all free, all public. Tool 4. LandWatch or Lands of America. Search for comparable parcels in the same area. Filter by acreage and price. This tells you what similar land is actually selling for, which gives you your maximum bid number before you ever walk into that room. Step 4. Check for additional liens. This step saves people from expensive mistakes. A tax-delinquent property can look perfect on paper, clean address, good road access, fair assessed value, and still have hidden debt attached to it. Mechanics liens, HOA debt, municipal code violations. In some cases, even mortgage debt that survived the tax default. Before you bid on anything, call the county recorder's office. Ask this exact question: are there any additional liens or encumbrances recorded against parcel number? It's a 5-minute phone call. It's free. And it can save you from buying a $500 property that comes with $12,000 in hidden debt. Also, check the county clerk's website for recorded documents against the parcel. Most counties have a searchable online database. Search the parcel number and look for anything beyond the tax lien itself. Step 5. Contact the owner before the auction. This is the step almost nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful one on this list. Here's why. The delinquent property list includes the owner's name. The county assessor's records often include their mailing address. Some of these owners don't want to go to auction. They don't want the public process. They don't want to lose the property entirely. They just haven't paid the taxes for whatever reason. If you contact them directly before the auction, you may be able to buy the property outright. No competition, no bidding war, no auction day nerves. A direct letter or phone call costs almost nothing. Your message is simple. I understand your property may be going to tax sale. I'd like to discuss purchasing it directly if that would work for you. Some owners will say no, some won't respond, but some of them will say yes, and you'll get a deal that never even made it to the auction room. Step 6. Set your number before you walk in. You've done the research. You know the property. You know what comparable land is selling for. You know there are no hidden liens. Now, before you go to that auction, write down your maximum bid on a piece of paper. Not in your head, on paper. Auction rooms have energy. People get competitive. The adrenaline of the moment pushes numbers higher than logic allows. Your written number is your protection against yourself. If bidding passes your number, you stop. You walk away. You wait for the next one. Because here's the truth. There is always another auction. There is always another parcel. The worst deal you'll ever make is overpaying for a property you could have bought next month for less. So let's recap the full system. Step 1. Pick one county and focus there. Step 2. Get the delinquent property list from the county office. Step 3. Research each parcel with GIS maps, Google Earth, and assessor records. Step 4. Check for additional liens with a quick phone call. Step 5. Contact owners directly before the auction when possible. Step 6. Set your maximum bid in writing before you walk in. That's the system. It's free, it's legal, and it puts you weeks ahead of everyone else in that auction room. If you found this useful, subscribe. We put out a new video every week covering raw land investing, tax delinquent auctions, and the strategies most investors never talk about. Next video, we're breaking down the biggest mistakes first-time land buyers make at tax auctions and exactly how to avoid every single one of them. You're going to want to see that one.